Something told me it was over, babe. When I saw you and that girl talking, babe, something deep down in my soul said, go on and cry, girl. When I saw you and that same girl walking by, and I would rather be a blind girl, babe, than to see you walk away from me, baby. Cause you see, I love you so much, I don't wanna watch you leave me, babe. And another thing is, I just don't wanna be free, no, babe. Oh, no. Now listen. I was just sitting here thinking, yeah, about your sweet kiss, whoa, and your warm embrace, baby. Oh, yeah. When the reflection in the glass that I held to my lips, babe, yeah, 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 revealed the tears that was on, whoa, my face, yeah, babe. Oh, yeah. Baby, 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 I'd rather be a blind girl. Whoa, I'd rather be a blind girl than to watch you walk away from me, boy. Look out. Than to watch you walk away from me, baby, don't leave. Oh, now listen, I'm gonna tell y'all one more time. I was just sitting here a minute ago thinking, baby, I was thinking about your sweet kiss and your thinking about your sweet kiss and your ooh la 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 la. When I looked down in the glass that I held to my lips, I was looking in the glass and I saw the reflection of the tears rolling down my face. I'll be a blind girl